Every business is sitting on data. The challenge is not availability, it is accessibility. Most teams still depend on analysts, dashboards, or manual reports to get answers from their data. This slows down decisions, creates delays, and often leaves important business questions unanswered. In this demo, we will see how Dview's conversational analytics layer changes that. Users can ask questions in simple business language, explore insights across connected datasets, and get decision-ready answers instantly, without writing SQL, running Python scripts, or waiting for report requests to be fulfilled. Firstly, click the Select Source button to choose your data source for analysis. Click on the Catalog section. This section contains all the datasets which you have onboarded onto the platform. Catalogs contains the data sources to which you have connected to. In this example, let's click on Ad Hoc. Once you open a particular catalog, it displays the list of databases or schemas within that catalog. In this example, we select the Uploads database. Once a database is clicked, all the datasets within that particular database are displayed. You can use the search bar to type the name of any specific dataset for faster search and selection. Click on Select to select a particular table. Now click on Add Source to confirm your selection. Dview supports persona-based insights, so the same data can be interpreted differently for different teams. Each user receives answers in the right business language, with the right level of detail and next steps for their role. Afterwards, enter your query in the text field to start analyzing your data. The platform analyzes the question and produces the analysis in a specific format, split into answer, context, reasoning, and next steps. The output response format of the analysis is highly customizable according to the needs of the user. The answers could also include important analysis like month-on-month or quarter-on-quarter trend analysis depending on the type of question asked. Behind the scenes, Dsense maps the question to the right tables, applies business context from the unified knowledge layer, and generates the SQL required to produce the answer. The most relevant chart is displayed along with the answer. You can access more charts by clicking the View All Charts button. If you want to have a close-up view of the chart, click on the expand icon on the top right-hand side. The SQL code used to generate the analysis can be accessed by clicking on the tab View SQL below the chart. You can inspect the SQL code to verify the business logic used to obtain the insights and analysis. The platform auto-generates a Python code if SQL is not enough and complicated calculations are involved. Along with the SQL code, you can also view the table data if needed. The charts view can be accessed here as well, along with the display of charts in the main panel. This brings us to the end of the demo. What we saw is how conversational analytics makes data exploration faster, simpler, and more accessible. Instead of depending on static reports or waiting for SQL queries, users can ask questions directly, connect insights across datasets, and get decision-ready answers in seconds. The result is faster analysis, better visibility, and quicker business action.